Parle Ropvatika Epsom salt, that is magnesium sulfate, to expedite plant growth. It helps to make plant healthy and look greener. It is mainly used for flowering for vegetable and fruit plants. Parle Ropvatika Epsom salt increases speed of seed germination and nutrient uptake, helps improve flower blooming, and enhances plants' green color. Parle Ropvatika Epsom salt is 100% water soluble. Fertilize your garden using Parle Ropvatika Epsom salt. Let us see benefits of Epsom salt. Since magnesium sulfate has excellent water solubility, magnesium and sulfur are both immediately available to plants. This fertilizer can be used to correct plant deficiencies in magnesium and sulfur and to correct high soil pH, and hence to boost growth of above recommended crops. Mix with water for a greener, lush lawn, especially during the beginning of the season. When your grass is returning from its winter slumber, add Epsom salt to your watering cycle to return it to its original green lush state. Let's learn how to apply the salt. Dissolve 10 to 15 gram magnesium sulfate per liter to water for foliar application. Use 2 to 3 kg Epsom salt per acre per spray. Apply 3 to 4 sprays per crop. Magnesium sulfate is also suitable for drip irrigation and soil application. Ideal doses being 50 kg per acre per crop. These are the recommended crops to use magnesium salt. Grains and vegetables such as tomato, onion, potato, cauliflower, capsicum, cabbage, groundnut, sugar beet, legumes, cereals and fiber like rice, wheat, maize, cotton, etc. Fruits like grapes, banana, mango, pomegranate, apple, citrus, strawberry, etc. Flowers like gerbera, roses, marigold, carnation, etc. So, if you are looking for the richest and most delicious fruits and vegetables of this season, then add Parle Ropvatika Epsom salt to your regular water routine, not only to boost flavors but also color and even size. Happy gardening!